Welcome to all of you in second lecture of EndNote. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import the reference in EndNote library. In previous lecture, we have created an EndNote library. We will open this one by double click on this. You can see here that blank library is open now. Now we will learn variety of method to import references in this library. Firstly, we will use PDF file which is already downloaded, and we import that reference in EndNote library. For that purpose, go to File menu, and in File go to Import. You will find two options. Either you want to import file or folder. I will import a PDF file, single file. Choose the location of that file. Select that file and click on Open. Now in Import option, you should select PDF and then press Import. It will take some time. One thing you should remember that if DOI is embedded in PDF file, then the reference will be imported here. If DOI is not imported in PDF file, you have two options to import reference. Either you can manually enter this reference by using this option, or you can import the reference from search engine or databases. So it is searching for that file. Now you can see here that the reference is imported here, and our library contain one references. So you can use this method to import reference from PDF files. Now we will use second method to import reference from search engines as well as databases. Firstly, for example, I open Google Scholar. I want to import the reference from Google Scholar. For that purpose, you will find option of this one, Cite. Click on this. There are different options appear here. Click on EndNote. That reference is downloaded now. Now right click and open it. This reference is now will be imported into EndNote file library. You can see here the reference is imported and our library contains two references. If you want to direct import this reference, you can change the setting of Google Scholar. For this, go to this options and go to setting. In bibliographic manager, select this option, show link to improve citation, and here you can select EndNote. Click on save. You can see it, and now EndNote option appeared here. If you want to import these references, simply click on import into EndNote, and that reference will start downloading. Now right click and open. That reference is imported into your EndNote library now. Now your library contains three references. Now you will learn how to import reference from Pubmed. Now I want to import two references from Pubmed. I check these. I want to import these two references. Select those references which you want to import, and here you can click on send to. In send to option, click on site manager. Now create file. Now these references are downloaded here. Right click and open. You can see here both these references are imported here. In previous method, when we import reference from PDF file, you can see here clip appear, PDF is also imported here. You can see here that paper is also imported. So next move to other databases. How to import reference from elsewhere journals or science tract. Open the paper of science tract or elsewhere journals and go to this cite option. Now select export citation to RAS. The reference is downloaded here. Right click. It's still working. Now it is downloaded. Right click and click on open. You can see here down the reference from science tract is downloaded now. Now if you want to import references from Taylor and Forensic, in Taylor and Forensic journals you can find the options similar to Pubmed, or if you want to import the reference from this journal article, simply here download citation, click on this. Here a separate window will be appeared and it asks you different options. You will select RAS and what you want to import: citation for the content below, citation and abstract, citation and references. I will select citation for the content below and download citation. Right click and open. Now that reference is imported and it is also present in our library. Now we will import reference from ACS journals. In ACS journals, open the article and you will find the option of RAS here. Click on this option and it will ask for different options what you want to import, either citation, citation and abstract, and citation and the reference of this article. I will import just citation. You can see here citation is downloaded now. Right click and open. Now our citation is downloaded now. Here is that citation. Now we will learn to import citation from Willy. Open the Willy journal article and go to tool option, and here you will find the option of export citation. Click on this. Right click and open. That reference is imported now. Now we will use how to import the reference manually. If you cannot find the reference in search engine or databases, you can manually import the reference. For that purpose, click on this positive sign, new reference option. Then separate window will be appeared here. The different entries appear here. Firstly, most important thing is the reference type. If you select here journal article, then it will show the options of volume or issue number. If you select book number, then it will show the option of edition and other. So it is necessary that you should select the correct reference type. For example, I want to enter the reference of this article. So firstly, copy this name, last name, and here you can paste it in author name option. Insert comma and first name, then click enter. Similarly, you can copy last name here and paste here. Insert comma and then first name. It is published in 2012, so we will write 2012 in here. Title of the journal, journal name, it is not copied correctly. I will try again. Copy this and paste it here. In volume number is 17, and we will copy the page number 246 to 254. Now we have entered the information of research article. Now go to file menu and save. Then close this window from this option. You can see here that reference is imported now. You can check the preview of this reference. You can even edit this reference from using this option. Now the fourth option is the import of reference through online search. If you using online search, go to this option. It is connecting to host now. You can find different options. If you click on more, you can find even more options from that for databases or research engine or whatever you want. So here are different entries for search options. Either you want to search on author basis or year basis or title basis. So you can also add or remove these filters. I want to remove this filter, so select on negative. We want to search this article on the basis of title. That is the title of the article. Copy this title. And title this one. And year content 2020. Now I will go to the search option. It will take some time to search out that article. And you can see here found one record. I will click OK. You can even use general terms and you can find a variety of different articles and you can choose best of them. Now that reference is imported now. You can select reference, either you have single or more references, select those one and go to this option, copy to local library. And that reference will be saved in your local library as well. So if you go to this local library mode, you can find that article in here. The title of the article was edible coating content. That was the article which we imported online search. So these are different methods to import different reference in EndNote library. In future video, we will use this EndNote library to cite these references in Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching this tutorial.